I don't know whether God is punishing us or what. You know, such sort of rains are not expected. And even in May, first time, from May 15 onwards, it started raining. This affected our. Had it not rained, we would have finished the top 2 layers, and there would have been no problem. Once we had to reach the top, and the final layer would be put a concrete disc, there would have been no problem. Now what has happened, and they have taken this out. Initially, this has not fallen. This has been taken out because of this heavy rain. That filter media which is there, that small mud, which was there, it slipped and there was a bulkhead. So we told him to take out everything. They have taken it out. And you can show the photographs what happened. Yeah. The initial bulkhead.
Orange alert is there. So due to some water, local bodies were this only fascia is failure, not the slope is failure.
Now you are blaming the
Now
rain.
we are going to investigate what sort of we can do there, and we will strengthen.
You are blaming the rain now.
No, we are saying basically because of rain, some mud and everything.
This can happen tomorrow also, no, the same thing.
No, once it reaches the top, it will be back.
But when you're taking up works, Photograph, it is very simple that the factor of rain would have been considered because it was the monsoon.
No,
obviously.
No, but see, what has happened is these torrential rains which are there were not these. No.
Sir, but you started working in the rains only, no?
No, we started before rain, but rains came early. You know, we wanted to finish it, and now after the rains are over, you come and see nothing left.
No, but what guarantee is there? So now see what happens. Till Sunday, it was okay. It only collapsed when it collapsed. So what happens next to other portions? What guarantee is that it will not collapse now?
So there is that, if you see, if we have done work in a stretch of 100 meters, out of that the only distress, or you can say some movement, has happened in the fascia in the 10 meters portion. Rest all is everything is fine. And we have completed this fully, like you can see the anchors, the slope is stabilized, there is no movement in the slope. Slope is completely stabilized with the technology that we have used. Only the facing part has moved because of some localized pressure or something, and that the water has gushed from the top. If you would have closed from the top, this incident might not have happened. This is what prima facie we can see.
No, but when you are saying that the water is gushed from the top, it could have flowed in a regular way, it could have affected other areas also. How come only a part of it?
That is what I am trying to say, that it has happened only in the localized this thing, not in a total this thing, or else the whole of the structure would have been affected. The affected portion is only 10 meters, so prima facie what I can say is that some localized pressure have come that we are trying to investigate and get it rectified. But what I am trying to say, it is not collapsed, it is only a certain movement of happened at the bottom which has caused this to do this thing. It has not collapsed. You can see the slope, it is still stable. The only movement that has happened is the fascia part.
So, but when such things happen, how sure are you about the other part that are intact as of now? What happens?
So that is what I am saying, that if it would have happened, it could have happened in the whole stretch. Now it's only in that.
It would not happen. It will not happen in the future.
You can see, you can show to the camera also that it is still intact. Nothing has happened. That is what I am trying to say, that some localized pressure has come over here which has caused this thing.
So the day before the collapse, this was also okay, but then
and
now...
so even if you see, this is a flexible fascia. So it's not like your concrete retaining RCC wall. Like if it collapses totally. It gives you an early warning sign that it is going to move or some movement is happening, which it has done its work basically.
So what happens to the project? Extra expenses?
No, I think sir, it is under a DLP, defect liability period. So it's our responsibility. There is no extra expense. It will be done in the same cost for.
Additional time will be required.
Little bit of additional time is required.
IIT Guwahati यांच्या अंडर दिल्लेले. सो आमी अशें ना कितें, इट इज अंडर द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टिट्यूट इन इंडिया, IIT गुवाहाटी म्हणटा ती. सो अंडर देअर सुपरविजन हे काम चलतलें. आनी आयज हे सगळे जाण हांगा आसा, जे टीम लिडर आसा, मेकाफेरीचो टीम लिडर आसा, मागीर मॅनेजर आसा, इंजिनियर आसा, डिझायनर आसा, सगळे जाण जेणेन कोणेन हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतलेलो आसा, जे MD इन्फ्रा तेजो ओनर हांगा येयलेलो आसा, मागीर महेंदर राणे जो टीम लिडर आसा, जे सगळे सुपरवायज करतात, तो हांगा आसा, सगळ्यांक आपयलाय. सो हे बेसिकली दीस पीपल आर सिट्युएटेड एट मुंबय. सो तांकां फोन मारल्या उपरांत ते काल सांजचे पावले आनी आयज हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन दिलें, कित्याक 2 दीस जाले आतां इन्सिडंट जावन. सो तेज्या लागून टायम लागलो, कित्याक बाबा ते मुंबय आसलेले, तांकां इमिजिएटली आपयलो आनी ते पावले हांगा. तसोच जो ओनर आसा जो हेजो आमचो MD इन्फ्राचो तोवूय कोल्हापूरचो तेकावूय हांगा आपयला. सो तांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन आयज आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलेलें आसा. खंय तरी एक वायट गजाल घडलेली आसा आनी बिईंग अ लोकल MLA येस आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक हांव खंयच धांवना, कित्याक हे काम जे आमी फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर घेवन हे कंप्लीट करपाक लागून घेतलेले इनिशिएटीव घेतलेले. सो ते स्टार्ट जाले, बऱ्या भशेन काम जाताले, बट काही कारणाक लागून हे जाले. तेजो ब्लेम घेम ना, बट एक तेंच्यांनी एश्युरन्स दिल्लो आसा हांगा, तुमकां मिडियाक सांगलेलो इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विदाउट एडिशनल कॉस्ट नासतना वॉट एवर वॉज द टेंडर अलॉटेड अर्लियर त्याच टेंडराच्या अमाउंटाचेर ते काम करून घेतले. इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो एडिशनल कॉस्ट हेजे भितर जावपा ना, ते तेजेर भितर जातलो एंड आय वील पर्सनली सुपरवायज इट. म्हाका खंय तरी दिसता की हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय, हेंचेर एक कंप्लेंट फायल जावंक जाय, FIR जावंक जाय हेंचेर. सो हांवें PIकूय इन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक सोदता कितें बाबा हेजेर रिजन कितें आसा तो फायंड आउट करुया म्हणून. एक कंप्लेंट करूया, फाल्यां जाय पडली जाल्यार आय वील टेक द इनिशिएटीव. हे कंपनीक ब्लॅकलिस्ट सुद्दां करपाची जबाबदारी हांव घेता. फाल्यां जर हेंच्यांनी बरोबर काम करून जाल्यार आय डोंट हॅव एनीथिंग सिंपथी वर म्हाजें कितें तेंचे कडेन लेन देन ना. जे तेंचे कडेन काम आमकां सेंट्रल दे मायट बी एट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, आफ्टर ऑल इट इज पब्लीक मनी, लोकांचे पयशे. कित्याक हांगा जे एलिगेशनां करता हे करता तेजे लोकांक तो फूल अधिकार आसा, तेंच्यांनी करचो, ते प्रॉब्लम ना. बट म्हाजे हांगा एज अ बिईंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन एज अ MLA इट इज माय ड्युटी बाबा आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. कितें हे चल्लां तें म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन चल्लां. सो आयज म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा आनी तेच्या लागून PIकूय आपयला कित्याक ही फॉर्मेलिटी फुडें करची म्हणून. आनी गरज पडली आनी तरी पासून म्हाका खंयचरोय डावट येयलो काम सारकें जायना कित्याक टायम टू टायम एंड अगेन आय वील बी इन्स्पेक्टिंग दीस. आनी खंय तरी दिसलें जाल्यार काम जायना जाल्यार आय एश्युअर यू बाबा हांव ते कंपनीक सुद्दां ब्लॅकलिस्ट करून दाखयतलो. इतलें हांव इन्क्वायरी बसयतलो. तेच्या लागून PIक आपयलेलो आसा हांवें मुद्दाम, कित्याक हेज्यात लागून इतलोच न्हू आमचे एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन जाल्लो आसा तोवूय म्हाका कन्सर्न आसा. कित्याक आयज लोकांक हांगा एक्सिडंट जाता, लोकांचे जीव वयपाचो एक भंय म्हणटा तो सदांच म्हाज्या मनान आसता. तरी पासून मागीर आमी कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करून गॅबनाक रिक्वेस्ट करून इसून थंयसर आमी जो आसा तो ते लेन ओपन केल्लेली आसा. सो वन वे अप टू रवींद्र भवन आसलो तो थंयसर आमी हे करून बॅरिकेड्स घालून थंयसर बाबा धाकटो हे केला. आतां वन वे स्ट्रेच फक्त इतलोच आसा, सायन बोर्ड सगळे घातलेले आसा. तरी पासून फुडले आनी कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवंक जाय ट्रॅफिक सेफ्टीक लागून तेवूय हांव घेवपाक रेडी आसा. बिकॉज आय एम ऑल्सो मोर कन्सर्न. आयज म्हाका लोकांची लायफ म्हणटा ती इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची. हेज्या लागून आयज मुद्दाम तांकां सगळ्यांक आपयले, नाजाल्यार हांगा कोणूच नासलेले. हांगा असलेले ते फक्त काम करपी आनी तो टीम लिडर तेंचो, तेजे सुपरवायझर. हे केन्ना विकांसून एकदां येता, सगळे चॅक करतना वयता. सो आयज तांकां मुद्दाम आपता ही तुमी जे पर्यंत जाग्यार पडना तुमची जबाबदारी, तुमी हांगा रावंक जाय म्हणून. सो तांकां आपयला आनी तांकां हांगाच दवरतलो हांव जे पर्यंत सारके जाग्याचेर पडना ते पर्यंत. ती म्हाजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तुमी म्हणटा कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हांव घेता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. बिईंग अ लोकल MLA म्हाजी जबाबदारी ही. कित्याक आय हॅव बीन ते फेलियर न्हू, हांव खंय तरी फेल जाला. कित्याक येदे व्हडले एक रिकॉग्नायज इन्स्टिट्यूटाक दिवन सुद्दां अशें जावप म्हटल्यार खंय तरी म्हाका भंय जाला कित्याक फुडें आनी कितें इन्सिडंट जावचो म्हणून.